Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Friend, मेरा नाम है अंशुल and today I will tell you how many service of MMT Spam retail outlet provides to the retail customer. Number one is you can buy gold and silver coin from MMTC PAM retail outlet. The gold coin is starting from 0.5 gram to up to 100 ग्राम मीन्स जो वो गोल्ड कॉइन सेल कर रहे हैं 0.5 ग्राम से अप टू 100 ग्राम तक आप परचेज कर सकते हैं. सम ऑफ द फ्यू पिक्चर इज शो ऑन द स्क्रीन. Now they also sell silver coin also. They are providing silver coin from 10 gram to up to 250 gram is in minted one, and some of the picture of the coins is shown on the screen. ये आप देख सकते हैं कुछ प्रोडक्ट जो हैं शो किए गए हैं स्क्रीन पे. These kind of the product they sell. Now we'll talk about the gold casted bar. Casted bar is also known as a bullion bar. It comes in a 50 gram and 100 gram with the purity of 995 and the 999. These casted bar having less making charges as compared to the minted packed product. But now the difference between casted and minted is very less. Better to go with the minted product, which comes in a certi card. When you will sell the packed minted product, you will get the better value as compared to the casted one. Now the silver casted bar is running. You can buy it for the investment purpose and there is no any changes. MMTC PAM does not sell gold jewelry, utensils जैसा कि आप स्क्रीन में देख रहे हैं, स्टैचू एंड दी आइडल्स as shown on the screen. MMTC PAM does not sell this kind of the product. They sell only gold and silver coin. Number 2 is purity testing of your old gold. If let's suppose you have a old gold jewelry, if you want to know the purity of old gold, you can visit to the MMTC PAM retail outlet to check the purity of your old gold. They will charge 3000 rupees plus 18% GST for one single lot from 1 gram to up to 2 kg तक. They will declare the certificate with the help of the XRF machine और एक्सरे फ्लोरेसेंस भी हम इसको बोलते हैं. तो इस इक्विपमेंट का यूज़ करते हैं और जो सर्टिफिकेट वैलिड रहेगा हर जगह. नंबर 3 इज़ इफ़ यू हैव अ ओल्ड गोल्ड ज्वेलरी, you can sell to your old gold jewelry to MMTC PAM, but the payment will be transferred into your account. They will not provide you the cash and there is a no limit to sell the old gold. Number 4 is gold monetization scheme. Under this scheme you will get the interest of your old gold. For more information please connect to your bank branch. Let's see where is the MMTC PAM store is located. They have a 15 store in all over India. Number 1 is in Mumbai, Maharashtra. Number 2 is Vijayawada in Andhra Pradesh. Pune again in Maharashtra. And the third one is Noida, Uttar Pradesh. And the fifth is Karol Bagh, New Delhi. Coimbatore in Tamil Nadu. And the Kolkata Center in West Bengal. Bengaluru in Karnataka. And the Hyderabad in Hyderabad. Lajpat Nagar in Delhi. And Vishakhapatnam in Andhra Pradesh. Ludhiana in Punjab. Chennai in Tamil Nadu. Thrissur in Kerala. And Ahmedabad in Gujarat. These are the center. If you want to know the brief video on purity testing, buyback and GMS process, please mention in the comment and like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.